I hope you are able to see my instance. I'm trying to log into the instance, and also I hope you have received the login details on the instance credentials from my in from my technical team. If not, they'll share you soon.
Yeah, we've received that.
Okay. So you can navigate the fast formulas in from two pages. So the first way is to go to setup and maintenance and accessing fast formulas from setup and maintenance. So recently in 20A release, Oracle actually changed the naming format of the search. So initially, earlier it used to be manage fast formulas, and now it has become fast formulas. So if you are in 20A release, just make sure you need to search with fast formulas. If you are in 19B, you need to give manage fast formulas. You need to search with the manage fast formulas. So this is the page, fast formulas. So this is how fast formula page looks. And if you want to see the difference between predefined or like Oracle delivered ones, you can see here. So there are like I just did a blank search in my environment, and I got a like big list of fast formulas. And if you see here, under edit, all these are non-editable, so it tells no updates allowed. So these are called predefined. So these are the Oracle delivered fast formulas, and Oracle is alone is having access to these formulas. And if you see any bug or any issues with this fast formulas, you need to raise Oracle service request. So now we'll see more on the predefined, generated, and user-defined formulas. So user-defined formulas are created on the Manage Fast Formulas page. So this is the page where you can create new fast formulas. So here you can see that the document is still having managed fast formula, because like if you are in 19D, just make sure you need to search with manage. If you are in 20A, just skip the manage word. And in setup and maintenance, so you can search with a fast formula, and you can go to the manage implement project, and then also you can actually try to define your own fast formulas. So that is, so in this document I have given both the navigations. So the first is that under from setup and maintenance, so directly searching with the fast formula name, and the second way is to go with the implementation project. So go to manage implementation project. So this is totally so depends on how you practice. So here so I'm seeing that there are many implementation projects, so I will quickly go to the okay, this is something financial implementation project, so I'll click on this. So generally this implementation project will be there in all the environments. Generally this implementation projects will be used to migrate the setup information. So when you go live in your environment, I think you're already using the live system. So if you're using the live system, so for the first time migration to production, so you use it, generally we use implementation project. So to migrate all the setup information from your QA environment to production. So for the first time go live, you use this implementation project, and you can use the same implementation project. And so for payroll users, so you do have a defined fast formula task, so you can go to this task to create a new fast formulas, or simply you can So this is the one way. If you don't want to do this lengthy steps, you can directly come to manage fast formulas and you can create or you can read your own fast formulas.